I will discuss 4. On that 4, you can keep any 2 frameworks in your resume. Is it clear? Today, we are going to discuss about what is frameworks. And robot activities also we have discussed yesterday. How to perform the robot activities. Robot activities is used for which one? To handle the mouses and the keyboard actions. Is it clear? Today we are going to discuss Selenium frameworks. Selenium frameworks. What is the use of Selenium frameworks? Can anyone? The Selenium framework is used a code structure. We are going to maintain a code structure which makes our code easier and efficient way. What we are going to maintain, guys? We are going to maintain our code in a easy way and in an efficient way. Is it clear? Hello, I am audible?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah. The Selenium automation framework is a code structure. We are going to maintain our codes in a structure format. Okay, that makes our code maintenance is very easy. Okay, code maintenance is very easy. Maintenance is very easy, and it is an efficient way. Okay, it is an efficient way of writing the frameworks. Is it clear? Okay, without frameworks, what we are previously we are doing, okay, code or we are writing code and data we are writing in a same class. Yes or no? Previously what we are doing, guys, we are writing code in a same class and data is also writing in a same class. Now coming to the frameworks, how you are going to maintain code, we are going to maintain in a separately, and data we are maintaining in a separate format. How you are going to maintain? Hello. See, here what I am doing, here data is also maintaining in a same class and code also writing in a same class. Okay, here what I am doing, code I am maintaining in a same class and data is also making
Same class.
same class. Now coming to the frameworks, to avoid this data and the code in a same way. Okay, what we are doing without frameworks, what we are doing without frameworks, code and data. Okay, code and data is written in a same class. Okay, same class. Previously, we have written in a same class. Now, how you are going to reduce this one? We are going to reduce by using a reusability methods. How you are going to maintain? We are going to maintain as a reusability methods. Now, from frameworks onwards, we are going to maintain a reusability and reduces the code, reduces the cost of script also, cost of script as well, and maintenance is very easy. Okay, we can maintain all the scripts in a different format. Maintenance is also very easy. See guys, what is a framework? A framework is a code structure. Okay, we are maintaining in a structure format, which makes our code is very easy and an efficient way. Okay, previously how How you are written, guys? Without framework, we have written in a code and data in a same class. Yes or no? Previously, we have written in a same class. Okay. Now, now to avoid this one, we are maintaining different types of frameworks. What are the different types of frameworks we are using? Can anyone? Hello. What are the different types of frameworks? First framework I am going to discuss is TestNG. What is the framework?
Cucumber, testing.
Yeah, first one we'll discuss about TestNG. After that, I will go for data driven. After that, I will go for page object model. After that, I will discuss Cucumber framework. Here, what is TestNG? TestNG is a testing framework that overcomes from which framework? From which framework onwards this TestNG is came? From JUnit onwards, this TestNG is came. TestNG is a testing framework. Testing framework which overcomes from which framework? JUnit. From which framework onwards, guys, it came?
JNTV.
JUnit. Okay. Here where NG stands for what? NG stands for next generation. Okay, what is meant by NG?
Next.
Here NG stands for next generation. What is meant by NG? Next generation. Okay, most of the Selenium users are using TestNG instead of JUnit. Most of the test engineers are using which framework? Guys, please try to respond.
Rajesh, JUNT means?
JUnit is also a one type of framework. Okay, it is a one type of framework. Why we are coming to instead of JUnit to TestNG? Because JUnit is having only less features. Okay, coming when compared to TestNG, JUnit is having less features. Clear? And coming to JUnit, they are not supporting some reports format also. Coming to TestNG, a few reports also we have added. Okay, in TestNG. So that's the reason it is also a one type of framework. Clear?
Okay.
Both are same only. Annotations also same. Okay, annotations is also same, but some more features is added. Okay, if you want, I will explain in Cucumber. Okay, in Cucumber concept, I will explain this JUnit as well. Okay, most of the test engineers are using which one? TestNG instead of JUnit. Okay, instead of TestNG, we are using JUnit. Why? Because we are having the many advantages. Because having different advantages. And which framework we are having advantages? On testing, we are having different advantages. When compared to JUnit, we are having more advantages in TestNG. Okay, what are the advantages, guys? What are the advantages? What are the advantages of TestNG? Annotations are very easy to understand. Annotations are very easy to understand. Coming to second one, what is the advantage? Test cases can be grouped together. Test cases can be grouped together. Here, suppose here what I am doing, here different classes is there. Yes or no? Can I group this all classes into one? Can I group it?
Yes.
How?
All select.
I have selected.
Go to file.
Here in Java, how you can group? Can anyone? Hello.
No.
Here in Java, it is not possible. Coming to TestNG, we can group this all test cases into one. Okay, that is one benefit we are having in TestNG. Okay, coming to third one. What is the third one? Parallel testing is possible. Parallel testing is possible. Okay, these are the different types of advantages we are having in TestNG. Clear? Okay. Coming to what are the different types of annotations we are having in TestNG? Can anyone? This is the popular interview question you are going to face. What are the different types of annotations you are facing in our project? What are the different types of annotations is available? Hello.
I don't know, Rajesh.
Yeah. See, what are the different types of annotations? At the rate, before suite, at the rate, before suite, at the rate, before test, at the rate, before class, at the rate, before methods, at the rate, test, at the rate, after methods, at the rate, after class, at the rate, after test, at the rate, after suite. Here, how many annotations is available? We are having these are the annotations. Okay, still some more is there, but we are using mostly we are using these annotations only. In real time, we are using what type of annotations? Only these four annotations we are going to use. Okay, this also rarely. Okay, mostly we are going to use before class, yet test, and after class. What are the things we are going to use? Real time. Okay, before class, yet the rate test, and after class. Okay, these are the mainly we are using. Okay, if you want, you can use before method and after method also. Okay, here these are the different types of annotations we are having. Okay, what are the different types of annotations, guys?
Before suit, before test, before class, before movie. Test. After class.
After class and after test and after speed. Okay, we are having different types of annotations. Here, what is meant by before suite? What is meant by before suite? The annotation method will run before which? Before all the tests has been run. ఎప్పుడు రన్ అవుతాయండి? అన్ని టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ అన్ని రన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఈ బిఫోర్ స్వీట్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది. ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది గైస్? ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది?
All test.
The annotation method will be run before
Test suit.
in this test suite have to run. Test suite have to run. I will show you guys, don't worry. Okay, test suite have to Coming to before test, when it is going to execute, before test, before any test, when it is going to execute, before any test belongings to classes inside the tag. When it is going to execute, guys, before test, guys, when it is going to execute, the annotated method, I will show you, okay? Just write it down, these definitions. The annotation method will be run before when any test belonging to, when, guys? Guys, please try to respond. Belonging to which one?
Test.
Here, what is there?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, belonging to the class. Okay. Inside the tag to be run. Okay. Coming to before class. What is meant by before class? When it is going to execute before class?
Before method.
Yeah. Before method, it is going to execute. Okay. The annotated method. The annotated method will be run when? Before
Method. Any test.
for first test. Okay. First test method. ఓకే ఏదైనా ఫస్ట్ టెస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే ఈ బిఫోర్ క్లాస్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే టెస్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిన తర్వాత బిఫోర్ క్లాస్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే దీన్ని ఏంది, ఫస్ట్ బిఫోర్ క్లాస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది, తర్వాత టెస్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది, తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. క్లియర్? ఫస్ట్ బిఫోర్ క్లాస్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ టెస్ట్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్
After
clear?
class.
Before first test method in the current class, how to in the current class how to run. Coming to before method. Here what is meant by before method? Before method ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది? Before each test method. Yes or no? Before each test method execute అయిన తర్వాత ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే బిఫోర్ ఈ టెస్ట్ కి బిఫోర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది?
Before
టెస్ట్ కి బిఫోర్. Clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, Rajesh.
The annotated method will be run when? Before each test method.
Test method.
Okay? Before each test method execute అవుతుంది. Here what is meant by test? Can anyone? Here what is meant by test? Previous గా మనం జావాలో ఏమి యూజ్ చేసామండి? పబ్లిక్ స్టాటిక్ వాయిడ్ మెయిన్ యూజ్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ టెస్ట్ లో వీఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ పబ్లిక్ స్టాటిక్ వాయిడ్ మెయిన్. Instead of public static void main, what we are using?
Test.
Okay, we are using test. Test. The annotation method is a part of test case. It is a part of test case. Here we are not using any public static void main string arguments. Where in the under test engine, here we are not using any public static void main. It's a part of test case. Here coming to after method. Here what is an after method, guys? Just reverse here. Here what is the after method? Can anyone tell? Based upon this one, when it is going to execute, here before each test method, here what it will come? After each test method it is going to execute. Yes or no?
Yes.
After each test method only it is going to execute, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? After test, after that it is going to execute after method. Just what you have to do? Here instead of before, we have to keep after. Coming to after class. Here what is meant by after class?
After method. Before
After,
method.
after only. Okay.
Okay.
Before means it will come before. Clear? Here what will come?
After class.
Definition tell guys.
The annotated
What is
will
meant by
be done
the annotation method will
after
be done after all test methods. Okay. All the test methods in the current class have to run. Okay. Here first test method. Here coming to all
all testimony.
test methods. The annotation method will run after all test methods. Okay. All the test methods in the current class have to run. Okay. Coming to at the rate after test. What is meant by at the rate after test?
After all class.
Yeah. After all the classes only, it is going to after all classes or all the methods.
All classes.
Yeah. All the classes. The annotation method will run after all the tests belonging to the class inside the run. Here coming to the after suit. When it is going to execute,
After
sorry, after suit.
after so
When it is going to execute. Instead of before, it have to run after
this
test.
test. Suit meant number of test cases.
Yes. Okay. Suit means number of test cases only. Okay. It is a combination of classes. Okay. Different types of classes. How you are going to write that suit? Here, suit. Under suit, what is there? Tests. Under suit, we are having tests. Under tests, what we are having?
Class.
Classes. Okay. Under classes, what we are having?
Methods.
Class. Wait. Under classes, we are having class. Under classes, what we are having? Yes or no? ఇక్కడ మనం suit is nothing but different types of classes, right?
Yes.
Classes లో మనకేముంటాయి?
Class.
క్లాస్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ క్లాస్ లో ఏముంటాయి?
Methods.
మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇవన్నీ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇవన్నీ క్లోజ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? జస్ట్ యూ సింగిల్ ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్లోజ్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes.
Here coming to test and this is the source. Like this you have to follow. Here I am just mentioning class. Here you have to give name. What is your class name? You have to mention here. Clear? This is the suit format. It is clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. This is the suit format. What are the different types of annotations we are having?
9. Before suit, before test, before class, before method.
Yes.
Test after method, after class, after test, after suit.
After suit we are having. Okay. Now we'll see the basic programs in under test engine. Okay. I am creating new package. Okay. How to create a package? Right click,
Go to
new, under I am
Package.
creating package. Okay. I am creating test engine examples. Okay. Here I am clicking on finish. Under test engine examples package, I am going to create programs. How to create a programs, guys?
Go to new class.
New
Class.
class. Here I am creating
Test.
test engine annotations. Okay. Or I am giving annotations. Okay. And here I am not enabling public static void main. Why? Because I am using test engine. Okay. Here we have to use @test. What we have to use, guys? Instead of public static void main, what we have to use? @test we have to use. Okay. If you are using as a Java or a Selenium WebDriver, we are using public static void. Okay, coming to testng, we have to use @test. We have to use the annotations. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, I am giving @test, but here it is coming @test.
No.
No. Why? Can anyone? Why?
Or need to install testing.
Yeah, we have to import testng. Okay. Previously, old versions we are importing. Now, how to do? Directly, we have to add the dependency. Where we have to add the dependencies? Is remembered, guys? Form.xml. గుర్తుందా అండి? ఎప్పుడో నేను ముందర చెప్పాము, మర్చిపోయామంటారా? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have one official website. What is that official website?
Google.
What is an official website?
Google. Chrome.
Chroma.
Uh,
What is an official website? To
Okay,
add dependency.
MBN repository.
MBN repository. Chrome అంటారు ఏందండి? Here what we have to add? Testng. We have to search with testng. Okay. Just click on search. Just go to first option. Okay. Just click on it. Go to the latest version. Copy this dependency and we have to add. Where we have to add? Under form.xml we have to add it. Where we have to add, guys?
Under form protection.
Under form.xml we have to add. Okay. At the go to annotations. Now just control space bar. No came. Is observed. @test, after test, before test. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Previously it does not came. Now these are coming. Is observed.
Yes, sir.
In my system it is supporting. If in your system is not supporting, means what we have to do? Go to help. What we have to do, guys? Go to help. Under help, go to Eclipse Marketplace. Where we have to go? Go to Eclipse Marketplace. Here you have to search with testng. 1 second, let me show. Here you have to search with testng. Here you have to click on install. Here install button will come. I already installed. So that's the reason your install button is not kept. Like this button will come. Just click on next and click on finish. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some systems it is directly supporting. In some systems it is not supporting. Okay. If you are creating a Java project, you have to install compulsorily. You have to install this thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Where we have to go? Where we have to do?
Right click.
Right click.
Help
To install. 1
market.
second, Ranjit. 1 second. Can anyone tell where we have to go?
No. Help to help.
Help.
Eclipse Marketplace.
Eclipse Marketplace. And here you have to search with
Testng.
testng. Here and here install button will come. Just click on install. Click on okay. Okay. Test and click on finish. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After it is installed means just try to restart your Eclipse. Okay. Once it is installed, please try to restart and open it again. Okay. Then only it will affect. Okay. Some systems it is directly supporting. In some systems it is not supporting. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. do it in your missions. If you are facing any problems, please let me know. Okay. Now I will go for test engine. Here, what I have to create, guys? I am going to create different methods. Public void test method. This is a test method. For example, I am creating like this. Here, error is coming. Okay, to resolve this error, what is an error here? We have to import. Here, what it is coming?
Import.
We have to import these files at the rate test, before test, after suit, before suit. These all files we have to import. Is it clear? Just for example, I am showing tomorrow. I will show the program. Okay, I will show 1 or 2 programs. After that, I will discuss some suits related things. Okay, some reports. Okay, I will discuss those things. This is a test method. This is a test method. Okay, I have created one method. After that, I am going to create after
Before class.
Before
Class.
class. Okay, first I will go before class. After that, I will explain. Okay, before class, we have to import. Okay, here error is there. We have to import it, and I am creating one more method, public void before class only. I am giving for my understanding. Okay, system dot out dot println. This is a before class. Okay, after that, I am creating after class. Okay, after class, here also I am creating one more method, that is after class method. Here what I am creating, after class I am creating system dot out dot println. This is a after class. Here output, what output will come, guys? Here, can anyone? Here what output will come?
After class.
Sorry, I have created before class, after class, and at the rate test. Now what output have to come? First, what have to execute? Ranjit,
Method.
I think Ranjit is not available.
Oh, sorry.
Now, what output have to come? What is the output for this? When it is going to execute,
Output
what it has to
after class.
first, it have to execute after class. Here, first test we have to welcome before first test. Before first test means what is there before first test? This is the test. Before that, it is going to execute. After that,
Before method.
what output?
No, after class.
When it will execute after class, after at the rate test, right? Guys, understanding, first ఏది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వద్దండి, బిఫోర్ క్లాస్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది. ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది? ఫస్ట్ ఎట్ ది రేట్ టెస్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, బిఫోర్ ఎట్ ది రేట్ టెస్ట్ ముందర ఇది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది. తర్వాత ఏది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది?
Method execute.
మెథడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది. తర్వాత
After class.
ఆఫ్టర్ టెస్ట్ తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది. నో వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్? దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ ఫస్ట్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ బిఫోర్ క్లాస్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ టెస్ట్ మెథడ్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ
After class.
class. Okay, this will come the output. Previously, if I am clicking on run as, we are going to see the Java thing. Here,
Test engine.
test engine. Okay, just right click, go to test engine. Here, what is an output?
This is before class.
This is a
Test method.
and this is
After class.
okay. Here definition is satisfied. Here what? our annotation method will run before first test method. Before first test method means what? This is the test method.
Test.
Before this one, it is going to execute. Clear?
Okay.
Here, what is meant by after class? After class is nothing but the annotation method will run after all test methods. Here, what is there after all test methods? After all test methods, what it is going to execute? After class. Clear? Definition is satisfied?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay. Here, run as test ng test. Previously, if you see, it will come Java application. Now it is coming as which one? Test ng. Clear?
Yes.
Write it down. Okay. Otherwise, I will copy and I will send in the chat.
Rajesh, previously, I mean, classes పంపిస్తారా? Previous first 3-4 classes.
అర్థం కాలేదండి. I did not understood.
Previous automation classes, previous first starting classes, 4-5 classes.
Yeah, okay. I will send. Okay. See, I will send, guys. Okay, don't worry. Here before class is there. Now I am going to create another few things. What are the few things? Before method. Okay, I am going to show before method. Here also I am going to create one of the method called as before method. Okay, before method. After that, I am going to create after method. Public
Void
void
method.
after method. System.out.println. This is a after method. System.out.println. This is a before method. This is very simple, guys. Testing is very simple. Okay. See, suppose previously I have created one @ test. Now I am creating two @ test. How many I am creating? Two I am creating. Previously I have created one. Now I am creating two. Now what will be the output? Now what will be the output?
First
See,
test.
first @ test will execute. Now only I told, guys.
Before class.
Now only you told, not I. You only told. What will it- Suppose before class and after class is you already know. Okay. Now tell me what is the output. Before class and after class means first it will execute before class. After that, this two @ test will execute. After that, after class will execute. Clear? Now coming to before method, how it is going to execute?
First before method, after method,
First before method, after that
after method.
after method. Who will execute these all things? This one thing won't execute. It also have to execute, right? These are also the methods, right?
Before method after class.
I have disabled after class, right? Where is there after class? Here, not there, right? After class.
Test suite.
Test shooter. Guys, what you are saying? Hello. See, here
Test
it have to execute
test
first
is
before
not suit.
method. 1 second. First it have to execute before method. After that, it is going to execute @ test. After that, it is going to execute after method. After that, it is going to execute before method. After that, it is going to execute @test. After that, it is going to execute after method. Any difference you have observed? Any difference you have observed?
Yes, first before method before.
ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందండి బిఫోర్ మెథడ్ @test ఆఫ్టర్ మెథడ్ మళ్ళీ బిఫోర్ మెథడ్ @test ఆఫ్టర్
Before.
మెథడ్ అదే కమింగ్ టు బిఫోర్ క్లాస్ అయితే అన్ని @test అన్నది ఒకటేసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ బిఫోర్ మెథడ్ అనేది ఏంది ఒక్కటి తర్వాత ఒకటి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది క్లియర్ ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ ఏం రావాలి బిఫోర్ మెథడ్ దిస్ ఈస్ టెస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ మెథడ్ బిఫోర్ మెథడ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఎ టెస్ట్ మెథడ్ 1 ఆఫ్టర్ మెథడ్ క్లియర్
Yes.
What output came? Before method. This is test method, after method. This is a before method, test method 1, after method. Coming to these things, okay? If I comment this one, I am uncommenting. Now, what is the output?
Before class.
Before class,
Test method.
test method.
After class.
This one,
After class. Once.
you are not understanding concepts, guys.
Before class.
Uh,
Test method.
After class.
After. Correct.
Another one is there, right?
After test is first method. Test one method. Two test methods are.
టూ టెస్ట్ మెథడ్స్ తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి ఓకే అదే మెథడ్ అయితే ఏంది ఒక టెస్ట్ తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ మెథడ్ అన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి వాట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ బిఫోర్ క్లాస్ టెస్ట్ మెథడ్ 1 అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ క్లాస్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి ఓకే వాట్ కేమ్ టెస్ట్ మెథడ్ 1 అండ్
After class.
write down this one also. Once done, please let me know. Tomorrow, ఒకటి కానీ రెండు కానీ రియల్ టైం ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చెప్తాను తర్వాత టెస్ట్ అండ్ సూట్ చెప్తాను తర్వాత రిపోర్ట్స్ చెప్తాను ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అనదర్ ఫ్రేమ్ ఓకే
ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్
చెప్తానండి మీరు రాస్తే చెప్తాను కంప్లీటెడ్
వెయిట్
And one more thing, yesterday I have told calendar, it is working everyone. For everyone it is working.
No, Rajesh.
Why? What is the mistake? Can anyone? Once completed, please let me know. I will discuss. చూసారండి క్యాలెండర్ వర్క్ అవుతుందా హలో లక్ష్మి హలో లక్ష్మి గారు వర్క్ అవుతుందండి కేదేశ్వరి రంజిత్ వై ఆల్ ఆర్ సైలెంట్
లేదు రాజేష్ అవ్వలేదు.
డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. కేదేశ్వరి, are you there?
లేదు 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 రాజేష్
అసలు చూసారా అండి, ఫ్రాంక్ చెప్పండి.
లేదు
చేయలేదు.
నేను కొంచెం లెర్నింగ్ స్లోలో ఉన్నాను. నేను కొంచెం
ప్లీజ్
time పడుతుంది.
ప్లీజ్ గైస్, ట్రై టు ప్రిపేర్. ఓకే,
Yes, sir.
once it is completed, please let me know. Please, at least this is not a manual testing. Okay, if you practice only, it will come. Okay, without practicing, it won't come, guys. Seriously, I am saying, without practicing, it won't come. Okay, please try to practice at least 1 hour. Okay, programs. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Once done, please let me know. I will discuss that calendar related issue. I also don't know what issue I have done yesterday. I have done, I will see. Is it done? Is it completed, guys?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Let me execute first. Browser is launched, URL, username and password is entered. Now it have to go to my transactions page. It have to click open the calendar. See what it is selected. March 14th it is selected. What it is selected? March 14th. But what I have given? March 14th. 14 is correct. Here what I have given?
October 2020.
That is an issue, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What mistake we have done? Let me check first. If condition is satisfied, else condition is satisfied. What mistake here are able to see? Where this one I have to write? After loop. After condition, we have to write. Where we have to write, guys? After condition. Okay. I have written inside the condition. Okay. So that's the reason it is executing one time. Where we have to write, Ranjit?
After the condition.
Let me try whether it is working or not. I am also not sure. We'll try. If you write inside the condition, what will happen? April 2023, March, February. Now it is clicking. Are you able to see?
Yes.
December, November, October. Now it have to select the date. Now okay. Observe.
Yes, Rajesh.
If I give inside the condition, what is there inside the condition? Just only one click operation only it is going to perform. What click operation? That is previous button click.
Previous button.
Okay. So that's the reason one time click is performed. If I give outside the condition, if it is not satisfied means it is going to loop here. Okay. Up to when? Up to condition satisfy daga loop anadi execute avadu. What is my condition? E condition date pick a switch ante month and year have to match. And what is my month and year? This is the month and year. Okay. Up to this one it is going to search. Okay. Idi find out ayadaka search cheyamani cheptanu. Okay. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
That is the small thing we have done. Okay. nothing is there. Okay. Anything else? If you practice means this all things. Okay. Try to practice, guys. Okay. I am stopping the recording up to here. We'll discuss few things.